What a lovely sight in front of my house. So many birds chirping at the same time, producing all the musical sounds which relaxes your mind, soothes your soul, and you doesn't feel like as if you are in the midst of Delhi. You are living in a city which is full of pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, all what you say. But this plant just opposite to my house, a people tree, a big people tree, is a home of so many birds which have now come together, producing this musical sound for everybody to hear. Just have a look how majestic it looks, how magical it looks. Do watch for all such kinds of plants and nature beauty during this lockdown in the vicinity of your own homes, which gives you all the positive energy to keep moving forward with life, with all the energy, positive energy and enthusiasm.